fast as you can. And mark it with a V. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! Ready? Oh, is that a pizza? Wow, so yummy, yummy, yummy. You're gonna cut the pizza? Ooh, so yummy. Oh, where you going? Just put it in. Okay, ready? Go. Again. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Poke it, prick it, and mark it with a. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Oh, is the oven ready? Okay, come. Cut your pizza. Oh. Cut the pizza. Cut the pizza. It's so yummy. Kaden, what are you making? What's on your pizza? Can you tell me? What you have? Mushroom, some more? Chicken pepperoni, some more? What is that? Is it capsicum? Vegetable? Is it yummy? Wow! How about Jaden? Jaden, what are you doing? What are you doing, Jaden? What pizza are you making? What pizza is this? What pizza is this? Show me what you have. Wow, so many topping. Don't forget your cheese, baby, your cheese. Okay, put this on top. Wow, where's the pizza dough? Are you putting a pizza dough? Is this nice? Okay, so we're going to put the pizza dough. Alright. Is it the pizza dough? Yes. Okay. Apply your tomato. Come on. When you apply it, you need more sauce. You need more sauce. Come, apply your sauce. Come on. Are you applying your sauce on top? Can you apply the sauce on top? Yes. Eda, are you applying your sauce on top? You need more sauce? We're going to put some cheese on top. Can you put some cheese first? No, just take a spoon and put on top. You want to sprinkle, is it? Okay. Sprinkle on top. You want to sprinkle some? Okay, we're going to sprinkle some, okay? Sprinkle some cheese on top, okay? Okay, take some. Sprinkle on top. Can you sprinkle on top? Take some, sprinkle on top. Sprinkle on top the cheese. Yes, all over the cheese. More cheese. More cheese. Wow. More cheese? Spread your cheese around, come on. Are you spreading your cheese around? There's so many cheese. Is this mozzarella? Ooh. Can you put on top?
You mean you don't need pepperoni a bit?
Find a place for your pepperoni, come.
But pepperoni pizza, I just
Some more?
cheese and
Baby on the dough, okay?
pepperoni. I just put some cheese and some pepperoni and some mozzarella.
I think.
Other cheese.
You want to put this too?
The last part
the bacon on top. Whoa, your meat is
So
everywhere.
when you cut your pizza,
Mama,
everybody
mama.
has a slice.
Mama. Wow, I don't want full of ingredient. Ingredient more than pizza. Yummy? Who made the pizza? Aiden and Jaden, right? Yummy? Ooh. Is this yummy? You like it? Who made the pizza? Who make? Aiden, Jaden, yeah, you made pizza. Ooh, is it nice? Is it yummy? Yummy? Aiden, is it yummy? What?
All the plates.
Wow. Yummy. Like it? Is it nice? Like it? Yes? What eating? What eating? What is Jaden eating? Yummy? Pizza. What's Jaden eating? Yummy pizza. Oh yeah, drink water. Yummy.